Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fried egg for your ramen using an easy method. First, gather your simple ingredients: 1 large egg, about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, and a tiny pinch of salt. You'll also need a small non-stick pan, ideally 6 to 8 inches across. Make sure your ramen noodles are already cooked and ready to go, as this egg cooks very quickly. This simple addition will elevate your ramen experience significantly. Now, let's get frying. Place your small non-stick pan over medium-low heat and add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Let the oil heat up for approximately 30 seconds. Carefully crack your single large egg directly into the warm oil. Be gentle to keep the yolk intact. Cook the egg for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the egg whites are completely set and the edges turn beautifully golden and crispy. The cooking time depends on your preferred yolk consistency. For a wonderfully runny yolk, cook for about 2 minutes, ensuring the whites are fully opaque. If you prefer a slightly jammy yolk, extend the cooking time to 3 minutes, allowing the top to set a bit more. For an even cook on top without flipping, add a tiny splash of water to the pan and cover it with a lid for about 30 seconds. This steams the top perfectly. Once your egg is cooked to perfection, it's time to serve. Gently slide the hot, crispy-edged fried egg directly onto your steaming bowl of prepared ramen noodles. For an extra touch of flavor and visual appeal, consider garnishing your dish with some freshly chopped green onions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. This easy-to-make fried egg adds a rich, savory dimension to your ramen, making it an even more satisfying meal. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.